In addition to our 4 nutrient lines, Canna offers additives to help you get better results. Canna Pk 1314 is a high-grade mixture of phosphorus and potassium that stimulates flowering. It's easy to use and makes for high yields. Pk 1314 is suitable for use with any growing medium. In this video, we will explain 2 of the different functions of Pk 1314. It ensures that your plant becomes stronger and increases its osmotic value. This improves the volume, weight, and taste of your crop. Canna Pk 1314 only needs to be applied for 1 week in addition to the Canna base nutrients. By adding Pk 1314 to your feed mix, you will increase the amount of phosphorus and potassium available to the plant. Both these elements play an important role during the generative phase. When the plant enters the generative phase and the fruits begin to form, it will need more phosphorus and potassium. This is why you need to supplement Canna-based nutrients with Pk 1314. This alters the ratio between the various elements in favor of phosphorus and potassium. The cells in the fruit divide and multiply, causing the fruit to grow. The multiplication of cells starts with the division of the cell's nucleus, which contains the genetic information. Nitrogen is required to reproduce DNA proteins. After a cell has divided, phosphorus is needed to build and reinforce the cell walls in order to create a strong plant. The water compartment is filled with potassium. This raises the EC of the plant. This is also known as the osmotic value. As a result, the cell draws in more water from outside and the pressure inside the cell increases. This makes the fruit harder and heavier, which is important for the final result. The plant can now concentrate on reproducing itself. Phosphorus is needed to build the cell walls, but also for the seeds to develop and grow. An important function of phosphorus is transference and storage of energy, which is also needed during this reproduction phase for the new seed. Potassium flows into the fruit, which increases the osmotic value inside the fruit. As a result of this, the fruit swells in size, increasing in volume and weight. Its flavor is also influenced. Using Canna Pk 1314 correctly will give you the optimum results every time. In addition to Canna Pk 1314, we also offer other additives that can help you to get more from your plant. So don't forget to use Canna Rhizotonic, Canna Zym, and especially Canna Boost, which will result in an even better yield.